In this short video, I will discuss the action of flipping a classroom. What does flipping a classroom mean? What does it look like? And how effective is this approach to student learning? First, let's start off with the definition of flipping a classroom. Flipping a classroom is the approach of changing traditional learning into a new type of learning. This allows students to now learn both successfully inside the classroom and outside the classroom. As students learn inside and outside of the classroom through a flipped classroom approach, students will now be able to learn the concepts and information from curriculum through videos and other online resources at home. This then allows students to come back to the classroom and review and receive additional help from both peers and teachers of what they have learned at home. To be more specific, teachers would use at-home learning for lectures and additional resources, such as videos or websites for student learning. While inside the classroom, the students would practice these new concepts being learned at home in an environment that conducts group work or discussions. In addition to this, students can also gain additional help from teachers or peers to further understand the concept being taught within the classroom. Four significant factors that applies to what flipping the classroom would look like would be 1. Allowing students to learn at their own pace. 2. Students will be able to be prepared to learn and engage with class material in the classroom. 3. There is more time being spent on group work and projects within the classroom. And 4. Students are able to have more time to do homework and gain help from their teachers and peers within the classroom. So, could flipping the classroom actually be effective? Well, in many cases, flipping the classroom can be effective as it allows students to have an equal chance of being successful, and this means all students. It also allows teachers to have more time to teach students more concepts and lessons. It also provides students with the chance and opportunity to branch out online to discover different viewpoints and platforms that explore the concept or lessons being taught within curriculum. Flipping the classroom can be a good system for having the ability to learn through the videos in an online structure at home, and then having students being in an interactive and hands-on learning structure within the classroom. An example of how effective flipping the classroom could be is from a school in Detroit that proves flipping the classroom is beneficial for students that do not tend to get the material that is being taught within the classroom. They are now being able to understand the material outside of the classroom rather than inside of the classroom through videos and resources online such as Khan Academy. So, there are a few concepts that should continue to be questioned while flipping a classroom. Here are a few. 1. Why would an instructor want to flip his or her classroom? 2. Is flipping the classroom effective for both students and teachers long term? 3. Are students more successful from the change of learning? And 4. How can teachers successfully flip their classroom?